pink color, purple color, yellow color, orange color, blue color, black color, red color, green color, yellow ochre color, and gray color. It's now you draw A and use blue color. A for apple. It's now you draw B and use red color. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. It's now you draw F and use yellow color. F for fish. G for goat. H for helicopter. It's now you draw I and use purple color. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J and use pink color. J for joker. It's now you draw K and use black color. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. It's now you draw N and use gray color. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. It's now you draw Q and use yellow ochre color. Q for queen. R for rose. It's now you draw S and use green color. S for sun. It's now you draw T and use orange color. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. It's now you draw W and use black color. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. It's now you draw Z and use blue color. Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers and first you draw 1 and use orange color. 1. It's now you draw 2 and use red color. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's now you draw 7 and use yellow color. 7, 8, 9. It's last you draw 10 and use purple color. 10 red color, yellow color, sky blue color, black color, green color, and dark blue color. It's now you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H, the alphabets of H, and use yellow color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. It's now you draw O, the alphabets of O, and use sky blue color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. It's now you draw U, the alphabets of U, and use black color. U for umbrella. V for van. W for well. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Red color, yellow color, sky blue color, black color, green color, and dark blue color. Kids, now you draw one and use red color. One, two, three, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6, the numbers of 6, and use yellow color. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11, the numbers of 11, and use sky blue color. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Kids, now you draw 16, the numbers of 16, and use black color. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.